In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickUp to Zapier. If you're new to automating your tasks and want to integrate ClickUp with the myriad of applications available on Zapier, you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making it simple and straightforward. First things first, open up your Zapier account. If you haven't yet signed up, go ahead and create a free account. It's a great way to streamline your workflow. Now, once you're on the main dashboard, you'll find yourself oriented towards the left-hand side of the screen. Here, look for the tab labeled App Connections. Clicking this tab will take you into the realm of connecting hundreds of different apps with an effortless user interface guiding you every step of the way. Once you're in the App Connections section, the process is quite intuitive. Click on the button labeled Apps. This is where you'll begin the integration process with ClickUp. Moving along, glance up to the right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an option to Add a Connection. Click that option to begin setting up your new connection with ClickUp. Don't worry if this seems a bit repetitive at first. Zapier is all about simplicity and efficiency, and this click-through approach keeps things very user-friendly. In the search bar that appears, type ClickUp. As you type, Zapier will auto-suggest possible matches. Select ClickUp from the list. By choosing it, you're starting the process that will allow ClickUp to synchronize with the other apps in your Zapier ecosystem. Great! With ClickUp selected, you now need to initiate the actual connection. Hit the button that says Add Connection. This step will prompt Zapier to create a secure link between your ClickUp account and Zapier. This may call for authentication, so be prepared to log into your ClickUp account if prompted. After you've logged into ClickUp, Zapier will provide a series of on-screen prompts. These are there to ensure that Zapier can access the necessary data and permissions required for the integration. Make sure to read each prompt carefully and follow the on-screen instructions. This might involve authorizing or confirming the permissions needed by Zapier to access your ClickUp data. Once complete, congratulations are in order. You have successfully connected ClickUp to Zapier. This means you can now start automating tasks between ClickUp and all the other apps supported by Zapier, saving time and reducing manual work. And that's it. You now have a powerful tool at your disposal to make your workflow as efficient as possible. Don't forget to explore the various automation templates available to get the most out of this connection. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!